Foxy?
Do you have any?
What are you making, Foxy?
We got this piece.
Yeah, that's a bit that you need. What are we making, girls?
Christmas tree.
Who's going to knock it over?
Me. And kitty cat.
The kitty cats.
Blue. Give the blue ones to me.
Be careful, Foxy, because they're sharp.
You mean
It's okay,
this?
don't worry.
You mean this blue? Oh, you give it to me. I've got two over here. I've got lots over here. Yellow. Ow. Here's some blue.
Binksy.
Yeah.
What's
Straight up
happening?
this, Harry, and straight down. Oi, no.
What are you doing, Foxy?
But I can't do it out.
No chucking. No chucking.
Mika,
He just stabbed himself in the eye.
Foxy.
Can we not eat my tripod?
Yeah.
Can we not eat the tripod? What?
Harry might be.
Colour.
You try, Harry?
No, thank you. You can talk to the camera, but you don't touch it. Say, hey, old camera. No, no.
What doing camera?
Your tooth fell out?
No.
Show me.
Right, Foxy, well done. Everyone say well done, Foxy.
Well done.
Well done, Foxy.
Yeah, do them in the morning, okay?
Good job. What's happened?
Binksy is climbing in the
Binksy
tree.
cat, where have you gone?
I get it.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him. I got him.
Don't let him get tangled in the lights. Gary.
Watch out.
Naughty cat. Naughty cat. Naughty cat. Naughty cat.
Careful.
Naughty Binksy. Go away.
Mika, you be careful as well.
Make you a tinsel on your head.
Yeah, Harry just knocked that vase.
You got Aria's penny?
This one.
Yes, Aria's penny.
Hey.
Mika, if you knock the tree over, you're going to be in trouble. Come on. Looks pretty, doesn't it?
Harry, get out of the way, look.
Let's keep you back. Swish birdie, swish, swish birdie. Steaming hot,
Mika.
steaming hot. Sprinkle on the sugar, sprinkle on the sugar. Eat la lot, eat la lot.
Whose tooth just fell out?
Meow.
Let me see. Do you think the Tooth Fairy's coming tonight? Do you think the Tooth Fairy might see the elves?
Maybe only
Bandit.
once.
Grab him.
Maybe the tooth fairy might be friends with her.
Maybe. Someone get Bandit.
This can't go on it. Baby, I've got someone, but he's a super fluffy boy.
Oh, you've got the fluffy boy, have you? Where's Bandit? He's in there as well. Bandit's in the tree.
He's there.
Oh, Bandit's there now, is he? Bandit!
Mika, come on.
What's happening, Gary?
Mika, watch your feet. Where are you?
Binksy's in the tree. Mika, Binksy's in the tree. Because she broke it.
It's terrible, just broken.
So the Christmas tree is up. We weren't going to put it up because of the cats. I've had to shut the other two out because they're just climbing it, but Gary's okay. So yeah, the Christmas tree is up. We have only put on wooden decorations that can't get broken and the fairy. Just because I had loads of glass ones and we didn't want the cats to break them. And we've got a little elves. We've got Foxy, Aria and Mika. And then a couple of trees there. We've got all the snowflakes on the ceiling. I got this the other day, which is really pretty. A black Christmas tree in a glass. Some more here. Gary's patiently waiting to go back in there. Go on then, baby. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Move your bum. Oh, Bandit, you stink. This cat is just made of farts. And then we've got, I bought this one the other day and his legs fell off. These ones are lights. Got all the stuff up. Fender. Here's some more. Oh, who's pooped? Oh my god, they stink. And then we've got the big ones in here. And then we've got more cats. Binksy, what are you doing? And then we've got, it says Santa stop here, and a Christmas tree. And yeah, that is a precursor to Christmas. We've got the stockings done. Another light. This room is just presents. Oh my god, as soon as I open this door, they all come in. Get out, don't go in there. Oh my god. Get out, get out, get. Oh my god, they've all come in. That is more decorations in there. Get out. You go away. You're out. You're out, Gary. Bandit. Get out. Oh my god. Why did I get 3 kittens? Binksy, do not go down the side of the fridge. Do not go down the side of the fridge. Get out.